Hi everyone. Good evening and welcome you guys for the session. Today I will give the introductory session of this CubiCost 5D software. Okay, so thank you very much for your kind participation. Today's class will be a special class. Okay, so I will teach you everything with regards to this CubiCost 5D software. Then if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Um, I will log into directly. Uh, Log into my software and I will explain things to you. Okay, so this is CubiCost. Okay, this is a special software. I will share my screen. Please give me a moment. Okay, I will log into my software. Then after that, I will share my screen. Okay, thanks again for your kind participation. Okay, okay, guys. We have 64 participants. It's great. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, now we have 66. It's nice. Okay, so this is CubiCost 5 software. Okay, let me explain to you about the future of digital quantification. Okay, so I will quickly go to new and I will start a new project by using this software. Okay, this software is intelligent enough to quantify every element according to the measurement rule. You have all the measurement rules available in the construction industry. New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, UK, and UAE, Pomero. So this software is embedded with the measurement rule. Okay, no need to think separately about the measurement rule while you quantifying the building. I will click on this NRM2 and click OK. I can log into my software. Okay, so this is the most advanced AI-enabled quantity surveying software available in the market. I will go to this BIM model and I will click on this import Revit file and click on this fold icon. Then I can go to my local disk. I can select my drawing from the drawing list. Then I can import that drawing into our software. I started this demonstration at 8:10. Okay, now you can see the efficiency. I will click on this basement flow as the reference flow. You can see these are the Revit types, Revit materials. The software is intelligent enough to convert these Revit materials into TES time. Then I will click next. Then all the Revit information will be imported into our software. Industry is slowly and solidly moving to building information modeling from the traditional method. Therefore, as quantity surveyors, you must learn these technologies in order to survive in the construction market. This is the 3D model I have imported by using this Revit software. As you can see, this is a beautiful 3D model. Now time is 8:11. Okay, I will quickly go to this quantity and click on this calculate, and you can see all the clashes. Okay, this is a design model. Okay, designers can do any mistake. Okay, they don't even care about quantities, but us quantity surveyors, we have to take care of our quantities. Therefore, the software will provide clash detections. As you can see, these are the whole overlaps. Okay, if you go to this one, okay, you can see the whole overlap. Okay, this slab is overlapping with another slab. Okay, if you want to have accurate quantity, you have to eliminate these errors. Okay, what are the partial overlaps? Okay, you can see this column. Okay, if I click on this column, this particular column is overlapping with this column. Okay, if you quantify this with these errors, okay, then you can't you can't get accurate quantity. Okay, so simple as that. But our software is intelligent enough to eliminate these errors. Okay, so you can see this column is overlapping with this column. If I click on this auto process, this error will be automatically eliminated. Okay, so this is the diverse technological advancement available for the quantity surveyor. I will do the same for all overlaps as well. Okay, this is very simple. After that, you can extract all the quantities according to the measurement rule. Then we can export those quantities into Excel as well. Okay, you can see these are the quantities that I have extracted by using the software. You can see column, wall opening, beam, in-situ slab opening, straight flight, room, finished wall. You can extract every quantity by using the software. Now time is 8:13. Okay, I only took 2 minutes to extract all the quantities according to the measurement rule. Then I can click export to Excel. Then I can easily export these quantities into Excel. Okay, within 1 second. Okay, you can see this is my Excel column, wall opening, beam, in-situ slab opening. You can have every quantity. This is the technological advancement you have to get adapted. Okay, so not only this, okay, so we are quantity surveyors. We don't trust quantities. Okay, so we have a lot of doubts about our quantities, how to revisely check our quantities with our model. It's very simple. You can click on the quantity. Okay, you can click on this revisely check with the model, then you can check one by one. See, if you click on the quantity, then software will show you the location. Okay, so this is what you have to learn. Okay, this is the technology you have to get adopted. Okay, so not only this, okay, still I don't trust these quantities. Okay, how to verify the accuracy of these quantities? You can use this view expression. You can click on this particular wall and click on this view expression. Then you can have quantity breakdown. You can have length, you can have width, you can have thickness. Okay, you can have comprehensive quantity breakdown. Still you don't trust your quantity. Okay, you can go to this 3D deduction. You can have the original quantity separately. So this is the original quantity, and these are the deduction. This is the deducted wall opening. Okay, this is another wall open deducted from this original quantity, and you can see these are the area formwork. Okay, so you can have every detail of your quantity in a 3D view from this software. Okay, so what else you need? Okay, not only these things, but also if you go to this report, you can generate TDS sheet. Okay, as quantity surveyors, we started our career by preparing TDS sheet. Okay, so those are the basic things of quantity surveying. If I go to this function, okay, and I can generate the TDS sheet. Okay, you can see this is the location. This is the grid reference actually. Okay, this particular element located between these two grid lines. Okay, and you can have length, width, height, and the volume, and you can have all the reduction. You can easily export these quantity measurement worksheet into Excel, and you can use this as a backup file. Not only this, but also you can generate all the expression. You can generate all the formulas that we have used to quantify this building. Okay, so this is what you need as a quantity survey. This is the future of quantity surveying. Okay, I only spent 5 minutes to generate all these information. Okay, information is the key to success as a quantity surveyor. Okay, so this is the magic. Okay, I only spent 5 minutes, 6 minutes to explain these things. Now we can start today's introductory session. Okay, so now you know how efficient is this software. Okay, and I will quickly do another thing. Okay, this will be also very important to you. Okay, so this is a 3D revision. Okay, so if you get a revision model, you can easily compare with the initial model and generate revision quantity, variation quantity, additions and omissions. Okay, if I go to this revision and click on add revision, okay, I can rename this as REV1. Okay, then I can click OK. Then after that, I can calculate this one. First, we have to calculate the initial model. After that, we can import the revised model. Then we can compare a couple of models and we can identify additions and omissions. Then we can prepare the variation BOQ. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, I will click on these RVD changes. We have to wait for a little bit. Okay, so as a quantity surveyors, we have to adapt to this technology. Okay, otherwise it will be very hard us to survive. Okay, so I will click on Revit changes, then I will open the revised model. Okay, like this, I can compare revised model with the initial model. Then I can identify additions and omissions. As you can see, this is the revised model. Okay, and you can see in green color. Okay, so these are the additions. In red color, these are the omissions, and these are the modified items. You can select them and you can accept. Okay, then you can make those changes like this. You can select them and accept. Modified elements, you can select all together and accept. Okay, after that, you can generate the revision model. You can finish the revision, very simple. Okay, after that, you can click on auto process for these overlappings. We already discussed about overlappings. Okay, then we can calculate again. Then we can get additions and omissions separately. Okay, so this is the uh, most advanced technology available for 3D quantification. Okay, so I think you might have knowledge regarding model mapping from Costex. Okay, this is much more advanced than that. Okay, this is the before revision, this is the after revision, and these are the changing. Okay, changes before revision, after revision changes. Okay, so you can export this report to Excel and you can use it for variation order and addendums, amendments. Okay, so this is very simple. And now you know a basic, you have a basic idea about the efficiency of this software. Okay, then I will start one by one. Thank you again for your kind participation. Now we have 79 students. Excellent, brilliant, fantastic. Okay, first I will explain a little bit about myself. Okay, then I will explain about the course and the software. Okay, so those things will be very, very important to you. Okay. Mm. And my name is Thilina Vitharama, and you can see I am the regional representative and I'm the country manager of CubiCost software in UAE. And I have done a lot of CPD sessions. This is one CPD session I have done for IIESL UAE. So this is the Engineering Association UAE. And this is one CP edition I have done for SLQS Oman. This is a professional body for Sri Lankan quality surveys in Oman. And I have done several CPD sessions for CyberQS Sri Lanka. And this is the first ever BIM competition conducted in Sri Lanka. I conducted this program back in 2022, I think, yeah. And this is CPD session done for Institute of Quantity Survey Sri Lanka. So I'm the person who doing the digital quantification part for the MEP course. And this is another CP decision for CyberQS. And I'm the VPPR of IQSSL Toastmasters Club. And I have completed all the 5 levels of Toastmasters recently. And this is a training session for university lecturers at University of Moratuwa. Okay, so this is a remarkable milestone of my career. I trained the lecturers of University of Moratuwa. So Charad Kun Kondlisave, Suranga Jayasena sir organized that. Helped me to organize that particular session. And this is physical training for Sri Lankan consultancy company called PICM Consultant. And this is physical training for IJVR, Sunken Overseas, then cost management services. And I think I have trained almost all the cost consultancy firms in Sri Lanka. And this is first CubiCost 5D BIM training. Up to now, I have trained more than 1,500 community surveys regarding this CubiCost 5D BIM training. And this is some physical training I have done in Oman. And recently, I have visited a lot of companies in UAE. I have become the country manager back in February. Okay, within 8 months, I have been able to sell our software for 10 mega companies in UAE. And these are some clients of ours, China State UAE. And this is my QA software all-in-one program. And I have trained more than 2,000 students with regards to this program. And this is a 5D BIM model, BIM module I have done for KDU students. And this is my Revit and Navisworks course. And these are some results of Revit and Navisworks course. I organized a BIM competition among the students and I have gave away some gift for the students. And recently I have visited a lot of companies. I will show you some photos because now companies, especially leading companies in UAE, adopting this new technology. Actually, I have generated 8 direct job opportunities for my students. Um, those companies conducted those interviews via the Zoom and brought them to UAE directly. That's why I'm calling them as direct job opportunities. And these are some company visits. Okay, I think you all can see my screen. I think you can't see my screen, no? Okay, now you can see my screen. Okay, and this is BK Gulf, one of the leading MEP consultancy firm in UAE, and we introduced our software to them. And I have done demonstration for ACOM. Now they are very interested to purchase our software. And this is James Qubit, and this is Gleeds. I trained the staff of Gleeds. Gleeds is one of the best cost consultancy firm in UAE, and this is Carbon Group, a contractor. And we are the main of sponsor, gold sponsor for this QS Apex event organized by SLQS UAE. And so some pictures and recently, we visited Mirage. Mirage is one of our leading client. They have purchased a lot of softwares from us. And recently, we visited them and DCC. So they are very interested to implement CubiCost in Dubai. Okay, we visited them recently. And now I am in Oman. Okay, so actually, this is a military cafe in Oman. So I was privileged to visit there. And this is one demonstration done for one of the leading developer in Oman. And you can see this is Milkris. This is one of the leading consultant in Oman. And this is the president of Oman QS Association, Mr. Amar. And this is Maidan, one of the leading developer in Oman. So we introduce our software to them. And this is lecture done for Ministry of Defense Oman. Okay, you can see. And this is the National University of Oman. And this is Military Academy of Oman. So now they are trying to implement our software because they know about the efficiency of CubiCost. So yes, I think now we can talk more about the function of this software. Okay, so I will explain you about 2D quantification a little bit. Then I will explain you how to measure reinforcement, how to measure MEP. Okay, so I will give you a lot of insights today. Okay, because GBCOS is the only software exclusively, okay, only BIM software exclusively available for quantity surveys. Okay, so we discuss about 3D quantification. What about 2D drawing? I will quickly explain you about 2D measurement. Okay, so this will be mind-blowing session for you. Okay, so this is our project. Okay, I will select a measurement tool. This time I will go with POMI, Principles of Measurement uh, International. Okay, so I will click OK. Okay, now observe, okay, how to measure quantities from a 2D drawing. Okay, so this is very important. So you can import a drawing from your local disk very easily by using this software. Okay, I can quickly import drawing. Then most importantly, you have to change the project settings. Okay, so you have a table. Okay, you can change the project settings based on your sectional details. And you can see this is your sectional detail. This is the foundation flow. This is ground flow. This is first flow. And we have roof flow. Okay. We can see the heights of these floors, 4, 4. Then we can enter those details in this project settings. It's very simple. Okay. Ground floor, 4 meters. First floor, 4 meters. And we have roof flow also. Okay. So we can rename this as roof flow. Very simple. Okay, after doing these things, we can start our measurements. Okay, it's very simple. This is our structural drawing. Okay, so we have 4 drawings. I will split one. Okay, because this is very awkward, right? 4 drawings. Okay, because of that, I will isolate one drawing. So this is our structural ground floor. Then I will isolate my architectural ground floor as well. Yeah, because very simple. Okay, so they have used the latest technology to develop this software. Okay, see, this is structural ground floor. This is architectural ground floor. Very simple. Then I have to have access grid line because I have to give the grid reference, as you remember from the previous demonstration. It's very simple. You can go to this identify two steps. First, you have to click on this layer and you have to click on these labels. Okay, then you can generate this access grid line. Okay, very simple. Okay, then this is architectural ground floor. Okay, I have to align this architectural ground floor with the grid line. Okay. Okay, now we can start our quantification. I will quickly quantify columns, okay, in 3 minutes, okay. I will show you how to do it. Click on column, pick sideline, click on this sideline, right click, pick label, click on this label, right click, auto identify. Okay, so this is much more efficient than the Costex. Okay, 3 steps. You can generate 3D model from a 2D drawing. Okay, then you can proceed with the calculation. Then within 1 second, you can have all the quantities according to the measurement rule. Not only concrete, but also the formwork as well. Okay, see, volume of concrete, area of formwork, numbers, weight of rebar, everything you can have within 1 second. Okay, not only column, but also you can generate beams. Okay, so it's very simple. You can go to identify, pick side line, see, pick side line, right click, pick label, right click, auto identify, generate all the beams in a very simple manner. Okay, then if you want to identify slabs, it's very simple. You have to go to slab. Okay, click on this pick label, right click, identify slab. You can generate all the slabs according to your preference. Okay, see? Okay, then what about walls? It's very simple. You can go to wall. This time you have to use the architectural drawing. Okay, pick masonry wall sideline. Have to click on the sideline. Pick doors and windows sideline. See, right click, auto identify. You can generate all the walls. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, then what about doors and windows? Okay, it's very simple. You can go to these doors and windows here, and you can go to this main drawing. And here I can have this doors and window schedule. I can go to this identify doors and window schedule, and I can select this one. Right click. All the doors and windows details will be imported to our software. We can click on identify to identify all the elements. Then we can generate the 3D model. It's very simple. Okay, this is the most intelligent quantity surveying software available in the market. Okay, you must learn this software in order to survey in the future market. It's the number one quantity surveying software available in the Asian region. Okay, you can see all the doors and windows can be generated automatically. Not only doors and windows, but also you can generate lintels. You can click on lintel and you can give the proportions for this lintel. I will give the sectional height as 200. Then few steps. You can just select your drawing, right click. All the lintels will be available in the drawing. Okay, so this is the newest technological advancement you have to get familiar with. Okay, you can generate many more elements, okay, by using this software. This is the most intelligent quantity surveying software. After that, you can calculate and you can get all the quantities according to the measurement rule. As I mentioned earlier, you can generate various number of reports. Okay, so this is about the TES software. You can generate foundation quantities, staircase, finishes, ramp, everything. Okay, so I will teach you everything in the comprehensive training. Okay, after generating this structural architectural model, okay, you can export this structural architectural model into TES format. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. You can go to BIM model and you can export this model into TES format. Okay, and I will save this in my desktop. Okay, now I will show you how to measure rebar, reinforcement bar. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so I will open another software. Okay, I will open our TRB software because some companies, okay, they only do reinforcement quantification. Okay, so in order to do that, they have separate software. Okay, so this TRB is our reinforcement measurement software. This is much more efficient than the Revit. Okay, you must learn this. Okay, Revit is a child comparing to this reinforcement modeling software. I will show you the reason. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. One student asked me question, how do we need to buy this software, sir? I will give you all the details. Please share your email address. So I will send you all the prices. Can you make your own measurement rule for X? Yes, it's very interesting question. Okay, you can make your own measurement rule very easily. Okay, actually, I will answer that question by using a presentation slide. Okay, then you can understand it's very that part very clearly. Actually, it is very intelligent question. Uh, Okay, now I have opened my TRB software. Okay, I will answer that particular question later. Okay, because finally I opened my TRB software. I will start. So here we can select the measurement tool. Okay, I will go with British standards. Okay, and I will click on confirm and click yes. Okay, like this, we can open our TRB software. Then no need to model again. Okay, we already modeled our structural elements by using TAS software. We can just import that TAS model into this TRB software. There are some qualities of building information modeling: interoperable model generation, parametric model generation. Okay, then we have collaboration, coordination. Okay, so those are the qualities of building information modeling. From this course, you can get practical experience uh, of those qualities. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you about the interoperable model generation. So you can go to BIM model and you can import the model because we already export that TES model to our desktop. Okay, so we can easily import that model into this CubiCost TRB software. Now, my aim is inject reinforcement information to these columns and uh, columns. Okay, so that would be enough for now. I will go to identify tab. I will go to my drawing manager and click on that. Then I will open some drawings. You can see standard training. I will go to D and I will open this column details, structural drawing. These two would be enough for now. Okay, and these are my drawings. Just give me a moment. Yeah, this is my column schedule. Okay, I have to observe column schedule before I inject column information. Okay, as you can see, this is my column schedule. This is C1 column. Okay, so these are the main bars. CT16, R6 at 175. Okay, so these are the links. Okay, so first we have to understand this reinforcement information. Then we can open our drawing. Okay, so this is our second drawing. We can go to our first drawing and we can see our model. Okay, and if I go to column, I can find my C1 column. Okay, then I can inject reinforcement information to this column. Okay, what are the main bars? 40, 16. Okay, links R6 at 175. R6 at 175. Then we have legs 3 by 2. 3 by 2. We have legs. Okay, then that's it. Okay, so we can have this reinforcement information 2 by 3, no? Okay, so we can have this reinforcement information. Okay, so now it's simple. We can go to quantity and we can select this one. We can right click and we can calculate selected entity. Then we can visualize the 3D view of this. See, this is my column. Then I can see the 3D visualization of this column. It's very efficient. Okay. Then if I click on here and click on this print element rebar schedule, I can get the bar bending schedule. Okay. So this is very intelligent. Okay. Within couple of minutes, you can generate bar bending schedule. Okay. This is the newest technology advancement available for quantity surveys, and there are plenty of similar columns. Okay. Okay. There are plenty of similar columns. You can see C3, C4, C6, C10, C11. Okay, these columns are similar to our uh, C1 column. Okay, these columns are similar to our C1 column. Then the software is intelligent enough to synchronize. Okay, synchronize. See, I can click all the details and I can synchronize these details with similar columns. Okay, I can select C3 from here, C4, then C6, C10, and C11, C15, C17, C20, C23, C25, C26, and click OK. Then all the reinforcement details will be synchronized among the similar columns. Okay. Then I can generate 3D visualization for those columns. Okay. So learn this by heart, change your life. Okay. Apply this technology for quantity takeoff. Okay. So I will select these columns, right click, calculate selected entity. Again, I will select these columns and this time I will see the 3D view. You can see 3 by 3D. You can observe. And most importantly, you can generate the bar schedule for these guys. See, we have 24 pages. You can check one by one. Reinforcement bar details. Okay, for all the columns. Then you can send this, you can print this, you can take it as a PDF and you can send to the site. Okay, then you can use this as the bar bending schedule. This is about our reinforcement software. Then I will quickly explain about the TME software, our MEP solution. Okay, so this is the newborn baby in Gordon family. Okay, I will not take much of your time. Okay, I will explain about the base of the software. Okay, then I will give you some insights about this industry. Okay, if you have plans to move to UAE, Oman, or any other country, I will give some insights and then I will give some ideas about building information modeling, why we have to adapt to this building information modeling, how BIM will help quantity surveyors to survive in the construction market. Okay, so those things are very important. Okay, so this is our TME software. For a change, we will do some activity. Okay, otherwise you will feel boring. Okay, guys, I need some answers. Okay, if you have experience between 0 to 3, okay, please put one message, put one. If your experience is between 0 to 3, please put one. I did this exercise in my previous Costex class. And I can see some students from the Costex class in this class also. Okay, great. Okay. Now I'm going to click on this experience 0 to 3. Okay, and you are looking for a job opportunity. Okay, actually these students are from my CubiCost only now. Okay, so they have obtained opportunities because of Costex. But nowadays, if you want to obtain a new job opportunity, they will check your BIM qualification. Okay, so CubiCost is the Glodin is the fourth largest construction software provider in the world. And after this program, we will give you internationally recognized, RICS recognized BIM certificate. Okay, so it will be very, very important you to obtain a job opportunity. Okay, so if you have experience between 3 to 10, please put 2. Yes, very good. Now you are a veteran quantity surveyor. You have experience, okay? And now you are planning to upgrade yourself from your junior level, okay? And now if you are not a measurement quantity surveyor, okay? Now you have to move to contract administration. You have to administrate other people, okay? So therefore, it's very important. Very important to get familiar with this building information modeling and have idea about this building information modeling. Now industry is slowly and solidly moving to uh, building information modeling from the traditional method. In order to survive in the construction industry, you must learn these technologies. Okay, if you have experience more than 10 Yes, please put three message as three. Okay, most of the students have more than 10 years of experience, because that's why there's are interested to learn this building information modeling, because with the experience they about the know about value of the building information modeling. Okay, so now it's time to start a new business. Okay, you can have a huge market wide for BIM related cost consultancy. I have trained a lot of companies, including Believe. Okay, I trained their staff with regards to model mapping. Okay, uh, they just started BIM quantification. Okay, I think very few cost consultants has started BIM quantification. Okay, so there will be, and there is a huge market wide. If you are a veteran quantity surveyor, you can um, give a solution for this market wide. Okay, because it's the best software for 3D quantification. Okay, so I think you have enjoyed this small exercise. Okay, let's move to this TME software. This is the most intelligent software for MEP quantification. Okay, I will explain by using a drawing. Okay, so this is TME and interface. And you can see I can import a drawing very easily to this software. I will go to my desktop and I will import some MEP drawing. I will start with this HVAC example because it will be very, very interesting. Okay, now I want to measure these ducts. Okay, how I can measure these ducts? It's very simple. So we have several methods. I will use this double line method. Okay, so see the intelligence of this software. Okay, so I can go to this duct. Okay, then I can click on new and I can click on this rectangular duct. Okay, so then it's very simple. We have this double line method. I can click on this line, then the label, then this line. Okay, automatically you can have this uh, you can have this duct. Okay, see, double line method. This line, label this line. Okay, see, very simple. This line, label this line. This line, you have to be careful. See, this line, label this line. Okay, then here there is no label. Okay, and we can match with this label, right? This is similar, I think. Then this line, this label, this line. Okay, after that we can generate all the fittings automatically. Okay, see, can just we just click on this one and we can generate all the fittings automatically. See, so this is the newest technological advancement available for quantity surveys. But if you have duct system, you can uh, generate quantities very easily. It's very simple. See, this line, this line, this line, right click, then click OK. You can generate the duct system automatically. Then within one click, you can generate all the fittings as well. See, this is the 3D view. And other thing is you can change the brightness. See, you can change the brightness. Then you can see your measured quantities very easily. Okay, so there are plenty of features. Okay, and I will show you another feature. If I want to calculate these equipments, okay, I can use a strategy. I can click on this select by layer, and I can select this layer and this layer. Then I can right click. Then I can click on display identity. See, I can isolate these layers. Then I can easily quantify this one. Okay, I can go to equipment, then equipment. I can use this device identification, pick device, see, right click, pick text, right click, identify. I can generate all the quantities. See, it's very simple. So this is our TME software. Okay, so very intelligent software for quantity surveys. So yeah, now What is the meaning of the 5D beam? I will teach you. I will teach you. It's very important. Now I think you have got a very good understanding about the software. Now I will explain about the company and value of this certification. Okay, that is very important. I'm from Glodden. I'm the country managers of Glodden company, and I have good news for you as well because I need country manager for Oman. Okay, I will definitely select that country manager for my upcoming program. Okay, so yeah, it will be a great opportunity for a young quantity surveyor who has good communication skill. Okay, you can build a brilliant career because our company is one of the prestigious company in the world. Okay, you can see potential of digital transformation. Okay, so why we transform into digitalization, we need the efficiency. We have to manage our cost in efficient manner, and we need to control the quality of construction project, and we have to enhance the sustainability. So those are the potentials of digital transformation. Okay, then we have to understand virtual building and digital building. Virtual building is basically a digital replica of physical building. So we can use digitalized cloud and smart technologies in order to create this virtual building. And by using technologies like Internet of Things, we can make important decisions with regards to the physical building by using this virtual building. And these are some analysis of data management. So data management is very, very important in order to enhance the efficiency through the construction process. And these are some challenges to convince professionals to adapt to these digital technologies. I will tell you the reason. No one wants to. No one wants their work to be transparent. Okay, so most of the contractors and these construction professionals don't want to be transparent, so they are reluctant to adapt to these digital technologies because they can't continue their fraudulent activities if you adapt to building digital technologies. No one want to take the initiative to learn new technologies and software, so that is a great problem. Okay, especially this is a big problem among the veteran quantity surveyors. They don't want to adapt to these new technologies. And I attend to one session recently, and one of the speakers directly told the audience, if you are not ready to adapt to new technologies, you are free to retire. It's true. It's true. If you are not ready to adapt to new technologies, there is no value for you. Okay, if you don't want to work with AI, okay, if you want to continue with the traditional method, you can retire from the company. Okay, so those are the policies implementing these days. No one wants their experience to be devaluated. Okay, so this is a very interesting point. Okay, so think about it. No one wants to be replaced by artificial intelligence. You will be replaced. If you don't want to adapt to these new technologies, you will be easily replaced by artificial intelligence. Okay, don't worry. And this is the Glodden company. This is the legacy of the Glodden company. We have 26 years of experience, and we have 370,000 corporate customers, and we have completed 6 million construction project, and we have more than 10 million end users. Please tell me the main reason for these data. Can anybody guess? Population of China. Okay, so this is our software is from China. Okay, so we are the number one measurement software in Asian region. Okay, so yeah, so we have use the most advanced technologies available in the world in order to develop this software. We have 8 R&D centers. One is located in United States, Finland, Poland, Sweden. Okay, and we have 5 cell phone buildings. This is very big company, and we have our own graphic platforms. Only 3 companies available in the world having these graphic platforms. Claude is one of them. And we have a lot of pioneer technologies. Okay, so you can see Nova design, industrial design. and beam quantity takeoff. This is CubiCost, okay, and construction detail design. And we have plenty of software. Okay, so we have around 137 software, and these five software for quantity surveying. Okay, so these software are some design software, and we have some cost management software, and we have some smart site management software. Okay, so this is a big company, and this is Global AI development history. We started with machine learning, then we adapted to deep learning. Okay, then in 2023 we introduced one feature uh, similar to Siri. Okay, if you tell something, software will do that particular thing. And in 2024 we have established the AI Innovation Institute, and these are softwares available uh, in the market, generated by Cloud company. And this is our ranking. Okay, we are the number one construction software provider in China. So we have nearly 1 billion USD market share in China. And you can see Autodesk, they only have 3.2. Okay, and we are the third largest construction software provider in the world. And why we need to adapt to these digital technologies. Okay, so as quantity surveys, if you use these digital technologies, you can get accurate quantities, okay, according to the measurement rules. And this is much more interesting than the 2D quantification. Okay, so those are the reasons to adapt to these new technologies. And you can manage all the data in single platform. Okay, so it's called as common data center management. And this is the logic of our Global software. If you have a 2D drawing, 3D model, or even if you have JPG picture, you can import all those files into our software. And we can use measurement rules and a lot of construction information in order to create this beam cost model. After that, we can extract all the quantities. First step is read the drawings, then we can generate the cost model. After that, we can generate all the reports. We have four individual software, because TES for structural and architectural measurement, TBQ for BOQ preparation, TRB for reinforcement quantification, and TME for MEP measurement. So this is the logic. 20, 30 years back, we used this 2D drawings, physical drawings to quantification. Okay, so it is very old and very inefficient. Then we adapted to AutoCAD and the 2D software, Costex, PlanShift, Bluebeam. If you get PlanShift software, 2006 PlanShift software is similar to 2024 PlanShift software. They haven't done anything for their software development. Costex, 2010 Costex software is similar to 2024 Costex software. Over the 14 years, they haven't done anything for their software development. But CubiCost, you can experience the efficiency of the key, because we have two major update for every year. Okay, so this is like smartphone. Our technology is much more efficient than other competitors. So one student asked me a question with regards to 5D beam. Okay, I will explain you briefly about dimensions of building information modeling with examples. 3D beam. Okay, 3D beam means 3D model plus information management. The best example is Revit. 4D beam. 4D beam is 3D model plus time and information management. Best example is, if you create a 3D model by using Revit software, okay, you can use the Navisworks software to connect your 3D model with your construction program. Okay, so you can get the construction program for Primavera, MS Project or Excel. Then you can connect your construction program with your 3D model. Then you can synchronize it. Okay, then you can manage data by using those synchronizations. That is 4D beam. 5D beam is cost modeling. Okay, you can create 3D model and you can inject cost information for that 3D model. So that is 5D beam basically. Sustainability, 6D beam. Sustainability plus 3D model. So we can do energy analysis and many more things in this 6D beam. 7D beam is asset management uh, plus 3D model after you constructing the building. Okay, so you can create a digital replica of your as built building. Then you can plug some sensors in your building, physical building, and you can get data from IoT from those scanners, and you can function those data in your digital twin. That means the digital replica. Then you can make some important decisions for your physical building from that virtual building. Okay, so we will discuss these things. Okay, this concept called as digital twin. Okay, so we will discuss those things in detail in this our training program. So this is about cost management, Gordon cost management. So we can use our software throughout the life cycle of the construction project. We can start from the initial stage, design stage. We can use our software to prepare cost plans. Then pre-construction stage, we can use our software to BOQ software for BOQ preparation and e-tendering. Then in the post-contract phase, we can use our BOQ and TES, TRB, TME software for cost controlling. And we can use our software even at the project closeout period. The most important thing of this CubiCost cost management is we can have all the data in single platform. Okay, so we can see the dynamic of construction, the dynamics of the construction cost in a single platform. Okay, so this is the most important thing of this Cubico software. We can use TS, TRB, TME software for cost management and quantification, and we can use TBQ software and e-tendering for cost management. So this is the logic, and these are our own Gordon buildings. So we used our own technologies to develop these Gordon buildings. Okay, you can see, and these are our customers. We have plenty of customers in Asian region, and these are from Malaysia, uh, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, and India. And these are some key clients from UAE. You can see Mirage is here. Okay, and all the Chinese companies using our software. Land Sterling, one of the leading property consultant in UAE. Mirage is the cost consultant for AMR project, and Carbon Group, Carp Asia, Intermas, and uh, three other companies purchased our software in UAE recently, and I have generated job opportunities in land sterling. I have brought one of my student to work as a quantity survey in land sterling, and I have brought a couple of students to work as a quantity surveys in China State, and couple of students for China Railway. Okay, so those are direct job opportunities. Okay, so they didn't come UAE via the visit visa. Okay, straightly brought them from Sri Lanka, and now I will put another couple of quantity surveys in Oman, Alama, because recently Alama purchased our software, and they are the reseller in Oman. And we have visited almost all the government entities in Oman. They are very interested to implement Cubicos. After they implement Cubicos, I think I can generate more job opportunities for my students. And these are some projects completed by CubiCost. So it's very interesting. And I will give the fullest support for this certification. Okay, so it is very important to have certification after finishing this course. Okay, so this is world recognized BIM certification directly coming from the Gordon company. Okay, so this is a professional certification. Okay, this is not just a course certificate, this is professional certificate. This certificate will certify you as a BIM quantity surveyor. Okay, you can work with BIM environment and you understand all the key features of BIM. Okay, so this certificate will give you recognition for those qualifications. Okay, so and these things are not that much important. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Guys, come on. What are the companies in India? Gleeds using CubiCost, and recently, can't remember that name. Just let me check. Lot of companies in India using our software. Okay, so I will show you the list. Please give me a moment. I have to open that slide again. In India, we have plenty of clients. Recently, India. Yeah, these are some clients from India. Thank you very much for your question. See, these are the clients from India. In Sri Lanka, ICC use our software. Leeds Mumbai use our software. Sunken Overseas, Hill International, Prestige. It's those companies using our software. Any other question? Soba developers. Yeah, Scuba developers using our software. Can we extract total material requirement? Yeah, we can manage it by using our TBQ software. So any companies from Pakistan? From Pakistan, still we don't know actually. What are the companies? I have explained that. Can you show example? Oh, yeah. I will show you that example for new measurement rule. I will log into TES software and I will uh, explain you. What about BOQ? Yeah, I will quickly explain about the BOQ as well. Okay, so first I will explain you about this measurement rule, then I will explain you about the BOQ. When our course will be started. So today, this is the introductory session. I think up to now, more than 30 students, I don't know, paid for the course. Okay, so I will give 1 week, one more week to make the payment because today is 23rd of October. Normally, students will receive their salaries between 23 and 30. Okay, so I will give you 7 days for make the payment. Okay, so next class will be on 13th of October. Before that, you can uh, before that you can make the payment. Is it enough to learn 10 days? Yes. Okay, more than enough. And I will cover the BIM theories as well, including this BIM execution planning. Then I will teach you about BIM implementation as well. Timing 8 to 10. Uh, Sir, can you please tell me how this course is beneficial for tender submission? Yeah, I will show you an example. Okay, it's very good question. You guys are very intelligent, huh? Asking very good questions, and I will answer. Project. Okay. Uh, you can search in LinkedIn. You can search a name as Eshan Nakalanka. So he's young quantity surveyor, only 23 years old. I brought him UAE before he com complete his degree. Okay, and these are the projects he has completed up to now. See, this is the original project. Okay, I will show you one by one. This is the first project he has completed. Real projects. Okay, so these are the landmark projects in UAE now. Young quantity survey, 23 years old. He has completed all these projects for tendering for China Railway. You can search in the internet. Contract is China Railway. Eshan is the quantity surveyor, and he has extracted all the quantities for the tender submission. Okay, I want you to be in the same level because I heard that China's state commercial team will adapt to this CubiCost software. Okay, there are 100 of quantity surveyors, and they will definitely recruit more because those are some big international contractors. Okay, so these are some tender projects, and I had one new client, this carbon group, and you can see Eldwin. Uh, I will show his WhatsApp message. Eldwin, yeah, he's our new client. Okay, so he has completed 3 projects in 1 week. I will show you. Yeah, this is his second project. Sorry, third project, I guess. And this is first project. This is second project, and he has completed another project as well. Okay, so you can complete 3 10 projects in 1 week. Um, then the measurement rule. One student asked about the measurement rule. I will quickly explain it, about that one. Okay, you can see this measurement rule is according to principles of measurement UAE, right? International principles of measurement international. Okay, so you can go to this quantity and you can click on measurement settings. Okay, and you can see you can change the measurement rule according to your preference. You have options. Okay, then you can export that measurement setting to a file, and you can use that measurement setting for future projects as well. Okay, so I think I answered that question. How to get 5 QS professional certificate after you completing this course? I will give you, Gordon will directly send you the certificate. Cost of the software, please send me your email address in WhatsApp. I will send the quotation. What about those windows, floor finishes, ceiling, skirting, cornice, something normally not in the model? Uh, Actually, I have explained you how to generate those windows and finishes. Uh, I can't understand your question. So can you show how to generate BOQ? Okay, okay, that's very important. Uh, this is about BOQ. Okay, I will quickly explain you about the BOQ. Actually, I will give you detailed explanation in the course. Okay, but for now, I will give you a brief understanding uh, using small video. Okay, this is BUQ. This is TBQ software. Okay, so this is our cost management software. It's very interesting software. Okay, and I will tell you the logic. Okay, and if you are a consultancy quantity surveyor, okay, so you have a lot of physical BOQs, and if you use this TBQ software, this software is intelligent enough to identify data from scan PDF or Excel. Okay, and this software will store all those data inside the software. You can maintain BQ libraries inside this TBQ software. You can manage your rates. You can maintain rate libraries, price libraries inside this TBQ software. Okay, so this is how uh, contractor can use TBQ software. If you have PDF BOQ, okay, you can use these intelligent features to generate a digital BOQ based on this PDF BOQ. See, you can generate a digital BOQ based on this PDF BOQ. After that, after that, you can rate this BOQ. You can put quantities and you can do anything. And after that, you can do the formatting and you can export or print this BOQ. Okay. And when it comes to uh, maintaining a rate library, okay, so you can use several methods. You can manually input your rates in this rate library. Okay, you can manually input your rate in this rate library. And if you have rates already, if you have rates in Excel format, you can import those rates from extra Excel format into this TBQ software. Then you can maintain rate library. Then when you price your BOQ, you can use coding system, rate coding system, and you can price very easily. Okay, I will explain these things in a comprehensive manner under this TBQ software. Okay. For quantification, you can link your quantity from TES software. See, this is your TES software. Okay. And you can link your BOQ with this TES software. You can use drag and drop method to link your quantities with the BOQ. Okay, so this is a brief explanation about BOQ preparation. I will explain these things in a comprehensive manner in the course. Data country wise, it's according to you, my dear. You have to give put your rates. Okay. How much does it cost get to the license this software, sir? Mr. Buddhika, please send your email address. I will send you a quotation. That's why we join class. We will learn one by one today. Only introduction. Yeah, today just introductory session. Is the software only used for buildings, sir? Yes. Is the software can use for infra? For infra, we have separate software called TRS, but still Cloudin hasn't introduced TRS for global market. It is used in using in China. Uh, but okay, guys. Okay, so I have spoken like a parrot. Okay, so without having a break. So there is some possibility miss the lecture session due to the work schedules. Actually, I will give the fullest support. Okay, I will give you the access to online training platform. I will give you pre-recorded videos, lecture recordings, comprehensive note, software for free. Okay, everything I will give. Okay, if you miss the classes, don't worry about it. Uh, can we develop a BIM model? Yes, yes, that is the main objective. Um, okay, thank you, sir. You are welcome, my dear. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's. Oh, one more question from NRV. Someone, you can ask your question, my dear.
Hi Dilina. At tender time we will get some drawings. There
Mhm.
is any requirement to use in CubiCost?
No, dear, no. So you can measure any drawing by using this software. I will show you one example. Okay, so this is one business idea for you if you want to implement. Okay, so I will give you.
Because because in tender time the drawings are not in one layer like that.
Yeah, yeah, I will give you one insight for that one. Okay, this is one project I have done in Oman. Okay, single-handedly. Okay, so this is the value of CubiCost. You can do projects single-handedly. Okay, no need to have partners. Okay, you can enjoy the total amount by yourself. Okay, so I have done one project single-handedly, a Korean project. It's in Oman. Okay, so these are the modules I have generated by using CubiCost software. And you can see these are the BOQs I have generated. I did this single-handedly. Two estimators helped me for estimation. I did this single-handedly. See, all the quantities I have generated by using this CubiCost software. And these drawings are not perfect. Okay, sometimes I use manual method, sometimes I use auto identification method. It's because it's uh, according to your intelligence. Okay, so first you have to read the drawing. Okay, you can see if they are in correct layers, you can observe it. Okay, so if they are in correct layers, you can use auto identification function and complete the model in a few minutes. Okay, if they haven't used any layers, you can use the manual method and create the 3D model. No issue. Okay. So I will show you this project. Then you will motivate to learn and earn from this technology. Okay, so here base one. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 buildings for phase one. Okay, then I will show you the phase two. This is phase two. Phase two, I completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buildings, and you can see. This small villa. This is hotel building, and this is townhouse. Yeah, like a small townhouse. Okay, so it's up to you. You can learn, you can earn, you can become success because this is the future, my dear. Definitely, this will be the future. So some models I have done. This is only one project. I have done several projects. Okay, this is one of the recent project I have done. Approximately, I think I earned 2,500 Oman riyals, nearly 2.5 million Sri Lankan rupees. Uh, I completed this project within 7 days. So yeah, superb, so excellent, changed my life. Yeah, definitely. Okay, don't stick to CubiCost. Okay, after learning CubiCost, try to learn Revit because logic is same. Then get familiar with Navis work. Okay, then learn some project management software. Okay, those software skills will help you to survive in the future market and learn AI. Okay, and get familiar with the Dynamo function available in Autodesk. Okay, so these things will change your life and think about business. Okay, and I have one last slide. Okay, so you guys are if you if you guys are still alert, I can share some more insights. Okay, I think it's you will listen to me. Okay, I will explain these things in the first session. Okay, these slides I will explain in the first session. I just wanted to show you these theories. I will explain later. Okay, I want to explain about this part. Okay, security levels, no, is some theories. Okay, see. This part is crucial. Okay, I need to create BIM managers. Okay, from my students because India. Okay, India we have BIM managers. These days I'm closely working with two BIM managers from India. They have BIM manager, but Pakistan, Sri Lanka, I don't think there are BIM managers. I need to create BIM managers uh, in future. Okay, so if you after you become a BIM manager, you can earn approximately 2.5 million LKR per month. The salary is more than this. Okay, this is just the basic salary. If you have become BIM coordinator, you can earn more than 2.1 million. If you become a BIM modeler, you can earn more than 1.8 billion million per month, which this data Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, for 5D BIM cost manager, you can earn this much. Okay, and I think this slide is very important to you. Okay, you have to be futuristic as quantity service. As you can see, this is metaverse. Okay, now world moving into metaverse. Where are we? Okay, we are still stick with the 2D drawings and measure quantities by using polyline. Okay, so I had some friends. Okay, so I had one friend. Okay, he partially blind because of 2D measurements. Okay, it's very serious. And this is the line project. Okay, if they start the real operations of this line project, they will definitely use BIM. If you want to obtain job opportunity in Australia, this Brisbane Olympic is the best opportunity. Okay, in Australia, most of the companies they use building information modeling. Get familiar with building information modeling, then you can obtain a job opportunity in Australia. And this is the Port City project. They also use BIM. Think out of the out of the box. Okay, always think about business. Okay, don't live and die as a professional. Okay, you will miss a lot of things if you become a business person, businessman. Or if you start your own business, you can enjoy your life. Okay, so there will be no risk. Okay, because it is your own business. You have the control of your business. Think out of the box. Okay, don't suffer in your life. Travel the world. Okay, so be mindful. Okay, so that is the main thing. Stay aware. Okay, so stay in the present. That is the most important thing. And engage with new technologies. There are plenty of technologies available in the world. Engage with these new technologies. And these are some freelance websites. In the next week or after the next week, I will teach these freelance websites in about this freelance website in my CubiCost traveling on course. Okay, so I have a lot of students who earn a lot of money by using these digital platforms. And if you want to become success, you have to market yourself. LinkedIn is the best platform. If you want to improve your communication skills, you have to join Toastmasters Club. Toastmasters helped me a lot to grow as a professional. And I have put a lot of videos regarding CV preparation and those things in my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, now I'm out of breath. Okay, my fuel has gone. Okay, now I want to stop this demonstration. If you have any question, please feel free to message me anytime. Okay, my technical manager will be available 24/7. Okay, she will help you. um, please join this course. Okay, because I know the importance of this technology. Because today I met a couple of professors from Oman National University. Okay, so they are well aware of building information modeling and they are teaching Revit and all the beam technologies to their students. And future generation will be equipped with building information modeling. If you want to survive, if you want to fight with those future generation, you have to be equipped with building information modeling. Thank you very much. Good night. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye. Please join this course. Make the payment before 30th of October. Okay, and yeah, let's enjoy together in this training. Okay, bye bye. Good night.